Welcome. This channel is Well Live On. In this video, we are talking about Yoni Steam at home DIY. Here are the things you'll start with. You need 1 tablespoon for the Yoni Steam blend, a pot, and your Yoni Steam blend. I use this brand only, and I promise by it. I will link everything down below, even the pot, if you want it. So I am starting with filtered water. The instructions that's on the blend that I get says use 1 liter, which is 4 cups and some change. 4 cups. And so I pour that into the pot, cut the eye on high, and let it come to a boil. Now the water has come to a boil. I cut the eye off, or cut the heat off, and here I'm preparing to put the herbs in. Here's the herbs and this beauty. Just look at it. Just look. Cute. And so now I'm getting the 1 tablespoon full of Yoni Steam blend herbs, which I'm taking all day. Taking all day. Just come on. All right, we see it. Okay. You gonna put it in the pot yet? Man, it took forever. So I put it in the pot, and as the instructions say, put the top on it. So I take it off of the eye because the eye is still hot, and I let it seep. It says seep for 5 minutes. I let it seep and cool off for 40 minutes because of the method I'm going to use, and I'm going to show in this video. And so this is a glass Pyrex that I only use for my Yoni Steam. And here is the Yoni/bidet pot that you can put on your toilet. And I make sure that my toilet is clean and I'm clean before I do this whole process. So I put that onto the toilet seat. And I put the glass inside because I'd rather have the steam in glass than plastic any day. And here I'm showing how low of steam it is because it is closer to your yoni. You don't want it to be hot because it will burn you. And so I poured in to the glass. And when you sit on this, you also want to slightly spread your butt cheeks because it could touch it and you don't want to burn yourself or hurt yourself. So that's what I advise. And for this blend, you sit for 20 minutes. And it looks like I'm going to only be charging my phone with that low battery. Embarrassing. And so when you're done, you want to dispose of it pour it into the Yoni bidet pot. And with the hose in the back of it, you're just going to dispose of it into the toilet. Easy. You're done. Flush the toilet. Clean your bidet Yoni pot. Clean your designated glass for only your yoni because that's only sanitary. Clean that, and you're done with your yoni. Low cost, easy, sanitary enough. If you only can use the bathroom doing this, and you're done. Thanks for watching.